All right. Welcome back, everyone, for another deep dive. And today we're going to take a look at this website. It's called Books.
Books.
Yeah, Books. But I got to say, it's not exactly what you might think. Like, it's not just another online bookstore.
Right.
No, no, no. We've been going through pages and pages
Ah,
of this site. And well, it's kind of wild. You've got your usual, homepage and about and contact.
sure.
But then they've also got things like tools and Quizzy. And then there's even like an EVS section.
Yes.
Yeah, electric
Yeah.
vehicles, like
Yeah.
it's a lot. And then there's this compact LMS thing that keeps popping up everywhere.
Interesting.
So yeah, we're going to do a deep dive today and see if we can figure out what this book's website is all about. What do you think?
Sounds intriguing. Let's dive in.
Okay, so first off, I mean, this organization or lack thereof, like going from book reviews to AI tools is a
Yeah.
pretty big leap. What's your take on that?
Well, it's definitely unconventional, but I wonder if maybe it reflects this broader trend we're seeing online, where learning resources are becoming more diverse, less about traditional boundaries between subjects.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, you kind of bounce around from, what you think is going to be a typical book-related website, and suddenly you're like, wait a minute, now I'm looking at information about AI and electric vehicles.
Right.
It's kind of all over the place. But, okay, let's get back to this compact LMS business, because it seems to be a pretty big deal on the site. And we see this Enroll Now button everywhere.
Hmm.
So what exactly is an LMS anyway?
Ah, good question. So LMS stands for Learning Management System. It's essentially a platform for delivering educational content online. Think of those online courses you might take on websites like Moodle or Canvas. Those are examples of LMS. So
Hmm.
this compact LMS they keep mentioning, it could be their own in-house platform for online courses related to, well, all these different topics they cover.
Okay, so they're really going for this whole like one-stop shop learning experience thing. And the language they use on the compact LMS page, it's all about like exploration and discovery and embarking on a learning journey, which I guess makes sense when you consider how many different subjects they've got crammed into this website.
And you know what? This whole approach to learning, pulling from these seemingly unrelated areas, letting users kind of forge their own path, it actually ties into a growing trend in online education called microlearning.
Micro-learning.
Yeah. So instead of having these long structured courses, you've got these bite-sized lessons and resources that users can kind of pick and choose from. They create their own personalized learning experience, almost like a buffet of knowledge.
Huh. Okay, so books could be tapping into this micro-learning thing by offering this platform where they combine traditional like book-related content with this more, I don't know, personalized approach.
Interesting.
So there's this one section that says, "Welcome to coding here." And at first I thought, okay, here, that's got to be a typo.
Yeah.
But then I took a peek under the hood, the website's code, and, well, it's built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the languages of web development.
Right. And that could be a big clue here. I mean, it suggests that this compact LMS thing might actually offer courses or resources on coding and web development, which opens up a whole other dimension of learning. And we're talking about skills that are super in demand right now.
Exactly. So it's not just about exploring all these random subjects. It's also about empowering yourself with practical skills. And this theme really comes through when you look at their popular posts and labels. They're highlighting things like, well, web development again, affiliate marketing, which is, a way to earn income by promoting other people's products, and freelancing, basically working for yourself.
Exactly. It's like they're saying, hey, here's all this knowledge you can dive into. And then they're also giving you the tools and the skills you need to actually use that knowledge, navigate this world, and even, create your own opportunities.
So we've got this website, and I got to say, it's kind of an enigma. It's like they took books, tech tools, electric vehicles, a potential online learning platform, threw it all in a blender, and hit puree. It's kind of a reflection of the internet itself, isn't it? Vast, diverse, and, yeah, a little chaotic at times. Do you think this chaotic structure is intentional? Like maybe they're trying to cater to different learning styles? Or is it just, I don't know, a case of throwing everything at the wall and seeing what sticks?
Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? It's easy to get lost in all this content, but maybe that's part of the point. Maybe books is encouraging us as learners to embrace the chaos, explore different avenues, and ultimately carve out our own unique learning journeys.
It definitely gives us a lot to think about. As you continue your own exploration of online learning, keep an eye out for those platforms that challenge the traditional norms, the ones that blend diverse subjects and cater to different learning styles. The platforms that just might surprise you with their unconventional approaches.
Absolutely.
Hmm.
Because sometimes the most unexpected paths lead to the most rewarding discoveries.
Well said. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. Until next time, happy learning, everyone.
Happy learning!
And don't forget to check out our website for more deep dives into the weird and wonderful corners of the internet.
We'll see you there.
See ya.